All right, time now for your ABC 30 AccuWeather forecast, and we got so very close to those triple digits yesterday, but Christine says today is the day.
Yeah, I think today it'll be easier because we were already so warm yesterday, so it sets us up to get to that point. Not that we want to. I know, sarcastic yays all around, right? But that's the case for today. Luckily, it's just one more day of it, and then we can wave goodbye to it for the rest of the week. But let's talk about temperatures across the state. It varies on location. The valley is obviously going to be the warmest. We are well in the 80s. Palm Springs, Las Vegas, just to our east, already seeing the 90s. And then this time of year, as the land is able to heat up a lot quicker, the coast stays cool. Monterey is in the 50s, along with most of the west coast, or even down into SoCal, because we've got our May gray, as we call it. The ocean cool there is sinking, and it's trapped by the warm air on top of it, which produces the May gray, as we call it. So cloudy and cool still along the coast, hoping to see some improvements this afternoon. And for the valley, it is just all about the heat. So we're in the 80s now. Things are already on track for a very, very warm afternoon, but the cold air is already knocking. We will be breezier come later tonight, and of course that only heightens the risk for grass fires, especially the central coastal range. We'll be looking out for that later today. So with the heat, still a decent idea for a car wash. Just mind the warm temperatures because we are still very dry. By 5 o'clock, we're expected to hit that 100-degree temperature. We'll see if we can actually hit it for the first time this season. So after the heat, we will notice the winds picking up later this evening. I would say closer to 6 p.m. We could see gusts up to 30 miles an hour for parts of the valley, Los Banos, Mendota, even here in Fresno. That will continue through about midnight before the winds die down, and this is all going to help bring our temperatures to cooler, more comfortable levels starting tomorrow. The breeze, however, isn't going anywhere. I think we will still be quite windy into parts of Wednesday. But notice the difference in temperatures. We'll be going from 90s to 100 today back into the upper 80s. Looks like we'll hang out there for the rest of this week, Jason.